Well, the LED indicator saga continues. I don't know why they have to put such bright LEDs on stuff as indicator lights. This one really takes the cake. I'll show you what it is. I just bought this. It is a Skil electric screwdriver. What you see flashing as the indicator is the LED that comes on when you're driving the screw, more or less. And this thing is really nice. It has a flashlight on the other end. It's too bad I can't defeat the flashing light that's on when I have it charging. Plus it has just a little door right here. It's hard to get open with one hand. There it is. To put screwdriver bits in. Come with two of them. Didn't come with a holster or anything, but you know what? This is marked down to $5 at Walmart, so I couldn't resist. I think it was originally like $30 or something. So I believe it to be a nice screwdriver. Seems to have plenty of power this far, even though it's not been charged yet. Anyway, more videos to come later, probably. And thank you for watching right now, and God bless.